In this video, I want to share with you how you can read WhatsApp deleted messages. So, for the sake of this training, I'm going to use my normal WhatsApp and my WhatsApp business. So, take note, this video is for educational purpose. So, make sure you watch this video to the end. So first thing here, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open my normal WhatsApp here so I can demonstrate so that you guys can also see. So this is my normal WhatsApp. It's, for instance, someone send you a message. So let's say, for instance, let me write, how are you doing? So let me send something. Okay, someone send you a message like this and you were not online. So immediately you came online, you notice that the person has deleted the message. So let me go and send the message here. So after we send the message, now I delete the message and delete the message for everyone. So I delete the message here. Now if I go to my normal WhatsApp here, so I will only see this thing there, which means that someone has already sent me a message, but the message was deleted. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can read messages like this, deleted messages like this. So before I go on, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I would like you to like this video, and I also like you to share this video to your community. So if you have subscribed to my channel, thanks for doing that. So now this is what you do. Now head on to your Play Store. Now you download this app here. You can see the app here. The name of the app is Notice Save, and you can see this one here. You can see here. So what you are going to do then, for my own case, you can see I already have it on my phone. So I'm going to click on open. So I will allow the app to open. Alright, so the app has open here. What I'm going to do, so make sure you watch this video carefully so that you can see how to set it up. So I'll click on here, then I'll click on here again, then I'll click on allow, then I'll click on next, then I'll click on the app here, then I'll click on here, then I'll allow, then I'll go back here. So I'll click on next here, then I'll come over to here, then I'll click on allow, then I'll go back here, then you come over to here, you click here, then you come over to here, then you click here. So now let's go back here and test this app if we can be able to read deleted messages now. So now I'll come over to here, I'll come over to my normal WhatsApp as well. So now I'm going to send another messages. So I'll click on how are you doing today, then I'll send it. So I'll also delete the messages here. So I will also delete the messages. So now let me go to my normal WhatsApp, my WhatsApp business. So this is it. You can see that the message is not here. Since I have deleted it from my normal WhatsApp. So now if you go to the app we just set up here, if you come to the app, so you can see the message I delete. You can see the first one. You can see here, you can see it here. So you can see the message. So let me try again the message here. So let me go back and actually to send another message so that you guys can also see. So if I come to so this time let me use my normal WhatsApp business. So if I should send, I'm not coming today, so then I send it. Then I also delete the message. Then I click on delete for everyone. Now let me go to my, okay, you notice that I received a message, but the message was deleted. Yeah, now if I go to the app we set up, I will be able to view. Delete it. I delete. You can see the message here. I'm not. This is how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So I believe you have gained value from this video. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Thanks.